Iterate over model instance field names and values in template. I'm trying to create a basic template to display the selected instance's field values along with their names. Think of it as just a standard output of the values of that instance in table format, with the field name verbose_name specifically if specified on the field in the first column and the value of that field in the second column. For example, let's say we have the following model definition. I would want it to be output in the template like so. Assume an instance with the given values. What I'm trying to achieve is being able to pass an instance of the model to a template and be able to iterate over it dynamically in the template, something like this. Is there a neat, Django-approved way to do this? It seems like a very common task, and I will need to do it often for this particular project.
Since Django 1.9, use model._meta.get_fields to get the model's fields and field.name to get each field name. Previous to Django 1.9, model._meta.get_field_names will give you all the model's field names. Then you can use model._meta.get_field to work your way to the verbose name and gettata, model_instance, field_name to get the value from the model.
Here's another approach using a model method. This version resolves picklist/choice fields, skips empty fields, and lets you exclude specific fields. Then in your template,
you can use Django's to Python query set serializer. Just put the following code in your view. And then in the template. Its great advantage is the fact that it handles relation fields. For the subset of fields, try.
Finally found a good solution to this on the dev mailing list. In the view add. In the template add.
Full scope RAM isn't the audience exciting.